Let's do a quick review. First, we looked at individual stocks and determined what their returns were, the average of those returns, therefore our expectation going forward for an annual return, and the standard deviation of those returns, telling us how risky that stock would be. Next, we built a portfolio kind of manually by taking the weighted average of the returns and calculating the same statistics for that. Then finally, we calculated the statistics for a portfolio without having to do the manual creation of a portfolio. We used these formulas above, one of them getting a bit long, to calculate the mean and variance. Then the mean and standard deviation. Then we moved over here and created an entire envelope of possibilities from those stocks. Let's go ahead and add labels to see what those possibilities mean, and we'll use our text functions. So if we wanted to say what percent was in Kellogg, we could format that as a percent, and what percent were in ExxonMobil, formatted as a percent. Then we could add those as data labels to our chart. And we can see that each point on the chart represents a different proportion in one stock versus the other. And so we know that we could get a minimum risk out of these two stocks by putting about 80% in Kellogg and about 20% in ExxonMobil. But the more that we were willing to weight toward ExxonMobil, the higher our expected return would be, along with the higher the risk. So let's clean up our sheet, and then in the next video we'll do 3 assets.